Hi everyone, this is Sarah at Health by Sarah. Today I want to share with you my recipe for preventing Group B strep during pregnancy. Let's get started. You will need green onion, orange peel, ginger, garlic, red raspberry leaf tea, nettle leaf tea, and preferably use organic ingredients, especially with the orange peel. Bring 2 cups of filtered water to a boil with all the ingredients, just a little bit of each for one serving, except for the tea. And once it comes to a boil, you can strain the water into your mug and steep the tea in your tea ball for about 4 minutes, and then it's ready to drink. Now, the last 2 ingredients, the raspberry leaf tea and nettle tea, are actually optional. It's just something that I drink during the last 2 trimesters of pregnancy. The raspberry leaf tea to tone my uterus, and the nettle for the vitamin K especially. And so I recommend that you drink this tea once every day for at least 2 weeks before you take the Group B strep test around 36 weeks of pregnancy. And some people, doctors, practitioners, they recommend that you continue with whatever protocol you're using to prevent or treat Group B strep for the duration of your pregnancy. And I guess the reason for this is even if you test negative, the bacteria could come back at some point because it's a normal bacteria that's found in our guts, but sometimes it can be problematic if the baby were to come across it. It's very rare if the baby does, but in some cases when the baby does, it can be even fatal sometimes, so it can be a very serious thing. So that's why they recommend that you continue with your protocol. I actually have a lot more information on treating Group B strep. I have a whole article on my website about it and a whole nother YouTube video that's more comprehensive than this one. So I recommend that you go to that link. I will put it below, and a link to the video, the other Group B strep video. And I hope that you have found this helpful. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments if you have any questions, or just from your experiences as well. Until next time, cheers.